welcome back to my channel. My name is Rhonda, and today I am doing a review of some Canva cards I ordered. I'm doing a review of Canva cards that I ordered. So I was about to order some cards from Moo, I think that's what it's called, because I've ordered cards from Moo before, but I designed some business cards and a Bible study that I'm starting. I designed a card for it, and I realized you can actually order from Canva, and I don't know if you knew that. I did not know that, but it was actually very, very inexpensive compared to some other places I've ordered from. So I thought the packaging was really cute too. You get a little Canva sticker, and I love Canva, so yay. I got a sticker. They give you this little thank you card, information on how wonderful Canva is, and they are wonderful. And so, ta-da! I've got my Canva cards. Now, I'm starting a Bible study for people who want to do something creative. So we'll be doing a Bible study and then working on some art, calligraphy, using the Bible verses that we find inspiring that we read. So I think I got like 50 cards, and I think this was $11. I think with shipping it wasn't much more than that. I think maybe $14 altogether. That's kind of amazing because I literally designed my cards in Canva and then just ordered them. Like, there's no with Moo, you have to upload your design to make sure it fits their template and all that. With Canva, it was just, oh my goodness, it was so easy. And they're not paying me this is not sponsored. I wish it was sponsored, but it's not. I love it though. I can't say, okay, I'm just gonna take them out. Sorry, I'm just playing around with them. But here are the cards. I don't know if it's gonna focus or not. Focus. There we go. So here are the cards, and it's awesome, right? I mean, they're just business cards. There's nothing super special about them. I got I think it was like $1 to get a thicker card, but it's great. It serves the purpose, and this is the Bible study I'm starting. It's Bible Fellowship and Creativity. Anyway, very cool. So these are the cards I ordered for my Bible study. And now I'm going to show you the cards I ordered for Latte Dot from my Etsy store. The box is just so, everything else in life could be packaged so cute. All right, next box. This is a bigger box. This was an accident. I was meaning to get cards about this size, square and this size, and I didn't really look at the sizing of it. I just went with what I had made online. So make sure if you order something that you've created in Canva, you look at the size that you're ordering, because these were actually a little bit more expensive because they were bigger. So cute still. This is cute packaging. It says, "It always seems impossible until it's done." And so here's my little sticker again. Got a thank you card from them again, the same type one that I showed you in the other. And then here are now this is a bigger box because, like I said, the cards were a lot bigger than I thought. So I wanted to put little thank you cards in my packaging so that say thank you to anyone who orders. And I was picturing something about maybe this size, more the size of a business card, bigger than a business card, but I'm gonna use these. I mean, they're still great. They're just a lot bigger than I thought, and they were more expensive. They were like $30-something for these, and there are 50 in there, but it has, and I designed these in Canva. I mean, actually, this is pretty much Canva's design. I didn't change it. I'm just using it because I do like designing my own logos, and I do like designing in general, but when you're doing I have a lot of different projects that I'm working on because I'm a project addict. So this was just easier to have something already created for me that I just literally did in about 10 minutes. and ordered these in about 10, I mean, like the time it took me to order this, it didn't take any time at all. So, and to design it, I mean, the whole process, 20 minutes, if I can say. It took me 20 minutes to get this cards made and then ordered. So, I mean, you can't beat that. And it was, again, very, very cost efficient. So that is how I can see that. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick review of my Canva cards that I ordered. And yeah, that's, I mean, basically I did the same thing. I did the upgrade for like $1 and got the thicker paper, and I'm very happy with it. So have a look at Canva for ordering your cards if you haven't already, because it's super cute. And yeah, there's, oh, yeah, so, super, super cute. That's it. That's all I have to say. I don't know what I'm saying anymore, but yeah, packaging, very nice. I'm gonna have to figure out if I can use these boxes for something, because I hate to just, I mean, look how cute that is. It's like a little purse. So I'll definitely be using this like to keep maybe some art prints in or other things. Yeah. So have you ordered from Canva? If you have, let me know in the comments below what you liked or disliked about it. So far, I'm very, very happy, and I'm gonna be ordering probably more. Especially gonna order some that are smaller for Latte Dot for the art and jewelry store. That's all I have for you today. See you in the next video.